Okay, there are all the parts from my wife's key for her Honda. It just broke apart one day. Just snapped. The casing snapped. The most important part is this little guy right here, the little transponder. This transponder shakes hands with the transponder inside the actually it's near where the key actually goes into the steering column, and basically they shake hands, and this has to be with the key, or the car won't recognize the key and the car won't start. So if you lose this part, you're probably gonna have to go to a Honda dealership or like a key or a locksmith to have this little part programmed to your car. So don't lose that. Do not lose this. But I picked up a kit from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below to the kit. It comes with everything you need. Obviously it doesn't come with the guts, like the electronic part doesn't come with the transponder, it doesn't come with the key, but it's going to come with all this right here. New case, new screw. Man, this screw is warped. So let me show you how to do that real quick. I'll put a link in the description below to this kit. Let me get it open. Okay, it actually came with two kits. So I'll put that in my toolbox in case it ever happens again. Both have screwdrivers for the screw. There's a new screw. Little screwdriver. It comes with a little free programming resources available. Remotes.com. So if you guys need help with it, go visit remotes.com. But this is really easy to do, okay? So you take the key, slide it into the new piece here. Oh, yeah, that didn't line up. So I'm going to flip this around and see there's a hole right here. It should line up, if I can get it back off. It should line up with the hole right there. For some reason it's not, so I'll flip it over. See if that helps any. Just trying to pull it down, or push the key down, pull the plastic up. It's a little bit better. Okay, it's kind of lining up. Take this. So obviously this is the new case. The buttons will sit here on top like that. Put this here. The transponder goes there. I will sometimes use double-sided tape to keep the transponder in place. The key will go like this. Actually only goes one way. Okay, so I need to put the key in first. So, take that out. The key right here has little ridges on the side. Right, you can see them. So you take the case, bring the key in, slide the key into place, bring in your buttons, bring your transponder in, and on this other case you have a little lip right here, the top part of it, which lines up with the key. So I'll put that in there, putting this bottom part first. There you go. That's it. Now the key kind of lines up, the hole kind of lines up. Yeah, it lines up good enough to put the screw in. So go ahead and put the screw in. Okay, the rattling you hear is the transponder. So let's see if I can get maybe you guys can hear it from out here. I'm in the garage. No, it's not working through the garage door, but there you go. You got a new key, ready to rock and roll. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below to these cases. You can buy them on Amazon. $10, I think. And you're back in business. Alright guys, there you go. If it's helped you out, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.